Hello, I am Ken Lane, the mountain gardener. Many of you are eager to get your hands in the dirt, but gardening in our beautiful Arizona mountains is quite different from gardening at lower elevations. If you have recently moved here from the deserts or the low country of Southern California, you really need to understand how our unique climate works to be a successful gardener. Between our high altitude, bright air, and those ever-present mountain winds, you can practically forget what you learned about gardening in other parts of the country. Today, I am going to share some insider secrets to help you grow a better garden this spring. January is the perfect time for planting, and I want to introduce you to a real winner for year-round beauty, the Wintergem Boxwood. This evergreen shrub is the perfect anchor for your high country garden because it offers dense, bright green foliage that holds its color even when it is freezing outside. It is a slow grower, which makes it ideal for low hedges, borders, or even decorative containers. Most importantly, it is tough as nails against our dry air and fierce winds. It truly is a gem. And the best part is that it can be planted at any time during the month of January. Success starts with understanding your local environment. Our USDA garden zone is 7B with a strong influence from zone 8. This means we have mild seasons but distinct winters with nightly freezing temperatures. When you're buying plants, always look for those that grow in zones 7 and lower. Please stay away from desert plants meant for zones 9 or 11. They simply will not survive our winters, and we want to avoid that heartbreak. Now, let us talk about soil. Mountain soils change from home to home. Sometimes the soil in your front yard is completely different from your backyard. Our local soils are usually sandy or heavy clay and lack organic material. Pro tip: soil preparation is vital. You must add organic mulch to help granite soils hold moisture or to keep clay soils from compacting. Also, because our soil is alkaline, do not add lime or wood ashes. Instead, use soil sulfur to lower that alkalinity and help your plants thrive. One of the best things about our area is that we can garden year-round. Right now, in late winter, you can plant broccoli, spinach, lettuce, and Brussels sprouts. If you plant them as early as possible, you can expect a harvest before Mother's Day, just in time to start your warm season crops like tomatoes and peppers in May. If you want color right now, look at winter blooming flowers like pansies, snapdragons, violas, and ornamental kale. There's nothing quite like seeing a splash of flowers blooming through the snow to bring cheer to your winter landscape. Finally, we have to talk about our local neighbors, the four-legged kind. Javelinas, deer, and rabbits can quickly devour a landscape. Your first line of defense is choosing deer-resistant plants and applying a high-quality repellent like Animal Stopper.